This is the escaping coin trick. I'm going to make this quarter escape this box. Let's put the box together. You basically, I'm going to lock it together with 4 of these rubber bands here. 1, 2. Man, this is going to be really, really, really difficult. But I do like to make money disappear. And 4. Now, not only am I going to lock it into place with the 4 rubber bands, I'm actually going to use this silk scarf and wrap it up into it. And I use silk because this way you may be able to see what happens when the coin escapes. I'll give you a chance, all right? Take the magic wand, wave it around, and poof, did you see what happened? Did you see it? I don't know, let's take a look. I'm gonna unwrap the case, and hey, the quarter is now gone. Wow! This is the escaping coin trick explanation. It uses all these pieces here, and then of course the coin. You basically have to put together the case. Clear plastic, bendable plastic underneath the hard plastic square. And you're going to make a sandwich. So the coin is now sandwiched between these 3 pieces. Take the rubber bands and lock the coin into place 4 times. 1, 2. Now make up a story of how hard it is for the coin to escape, or however you'd like your imagination to fill the time in that it takes to put this together. Now, it looks like it's in there, doesn't it? However, if you notice, if I squeeze the 2 sides, the coin can slip right out. Did you see that? So I can even put it back in. Again, take the 2 sides of the box, squeeze, and the coin falls out very easily. So, when you have this locked into place and the audience thinks it's in there, you can now wrap it up into the scarf. Now when you wrap it up into the scarf, this makes it very easy for you to squeeze the sides of the case on the inside, and the coin will just drop right out. When you do this, make sure the audience can't see you doing it. So it's maybe this end's hidden inside your hand, and it takes practice, but once the coin is in your hand, you fold up the scarf, put it back on the table, and do some magic motions, weave your story around how it's going to disappear, so that when you unwrap the scarf, of course, the coin is gone. That's where it is.